How do you connect tokens, embedding models, and vectors together, right? This is how they connect together, right? Raw data gets split up into tokens, right? You feed those tokens through an embedding model. There's a type of system called a neural network. And the neural network converts our data into numbers. The way the tokens get determined is a statistical process. What they do is they count. It's an algorithm called BPE, byte pair encoding. What it does is it looks at a huge amount of data and it identifies what are the most common sequences in that data. It ranks what are the most common sequences, and then you take a subset of them and that determines your vocabulary. So for example, we saw OpenAI's vocabulary was 100,000 words. OpenAI was trained on like trillions of words of text, like lots and lots of data. There was a statistical process that ran for probably months that counted what are the most common sequences of tokens in this data, right? They could have kept running that thing forever. The more you run it, the more it'll identify what are the most, like it'll give a more accurate picture of what are the most common sequences. You can't run it forever, or you could, but it's running a tokenizer forever. Eventually, you've got to stop. Then you can start building stuff on top of the tokenizer.